Hello my friends, Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool trick to record new parts in Logic Pro, which I like to call the watch mode. Why? Well, let me show you. So I recorded this example, which I will demonstrate now. It sounds like this. Alright, so the thing I'm going to show you is if I changed this to an alternate take, so it's empty now. I actually started recorded these staccato strings, this pattern here. So let's say you start with strings, a piano part, guitar, or whatever you record in MIDI here on any track, and you want to record a new part, let's say a bass. So the problem is I'm kind of bad with memorizing what chord progression and harmonic progression I actually use and the rhythm for it to make sure I get into the right groove and harmony for the new part. So if I just start to play something like this, I mean, where am I? Where am I? Even though I know the key and scale, I might have a hard time doing it because I don't really remember, so I have to do lots of retakes. No, because you can actually watch this part at the same time as you record a new one, so you can use this as a visual reference. So you simply go into the piano roll editor of this part, zoom in, and I recommend that you use this button actually for this. It's really important. This is the collapse mode, which collapses all notes, so only the notes that are used within the part are shown, collapsing, condensing it like that, and you will get each note with a name here. That's really important, because now you can see the progression goes from F, D sharp, up to G sharp, C sharp, and so on. So it's easy to follow along as you listen to this track. Right? And you can see the rhythm. So you see it has a rhythm on 1 and the and between 2 and 3, or the 4, and so on. Okay, so, but if you select this track to record, it doesn't show this part because Logic's default is this here, this button here, which is the link. Let me show you what it's called, link button. And that is basically showing based on what you have selected. Deselect this like that, and now you can show any other track while still having this on top. So whatever, as you can see, I can select the strings, then I go to the bass, it still shows what I have previously shown in the piano roll, these strings, which means that now I can start recording and it will still show the strings. So now I can follow along. I mean, let's see, I just take this like so. I could even like maximize it, really go in here, and then start recording something. I will see it starts from the F. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Okay, not the perfect take, but I mean, I got the harmony. So in this way, I can even use, you know, this transition notes, the running and walking bass line notes, and so on, and also get the rhythm, the groove. So let's say I want to make sure I add this and between 2 and 3, I will see it instantly as I record and play the bass track. And I find this an amazing technique because then you can use it, for example, if you record piano or string chords, you will make sure that you can see your chord progressions when you record any new part in your project. And once you have recorded your new part, I recommend to always click this button again because it makes more sense to view in the piano roll whatever region you have selected. Now choose which video you are going to watch next, or you can check out the amazing bonuses in the video description.